These are Superteam's recently released carbon wheels, the All Carbon Ultra 2023. We spent 2 years to develop these wheels. From conception to production is done in our factory with our own experienced staff. I know you're gonna think that this is just another carbon wheel commercial on our channel saying these wheels are great, light, stiff, fast, etc, etc. Actually, we of course cannot convince you into believing they're great until you really invest your hard-earned money on these. But maybe it's just our honor and luck to have you here to watch this video and believe in our products. Starting at $991 US, they don't come cheap, but the price is already quite competitive to some major competitors' brands for their similar products. As to wheelset weight, they're pretty light, but maybe not the lightest 50mm deep wheels in the world. We could have made them much lighter, but we would like to strike a balance between performance and safety. They weigh 1,398 grams without rim tapes, 1,440 grams with rim tapes. Not bad for 50mm deep wheels. Our heaviest carbon rims weigh 1.65 kilograms for 50mm deep, the Classic Series rim brake version. There is one thing to note. Lighter wheels do not always mean faster and more energy efficient. The qualities of the hub, spokes, and spoke nipples have a great impact on riding performance. Some beginner cyclists overlook the importance of the spokes, which play an important role in performance. The chain drives the cassette drives the hub drives the spokes, and the spokes drive the wheel forward. The spokes are made of Toray premium carbon fiber. Fragile may it look, but we will do a downstairs test with flat tires in another video we upload. Superteam is confident enough to provide a 5-year warranty on the carbon spokes, except for intentional damage or abnormal use. In order to achieve better aerodynamics and lateral stiffness, we widen the spokes to 5.2 millimeters, and the thickness is just 0.9 millimeter. After shipping, the spoke tensions are just perfect out of the box. They feel stiff and still have a little springiness, which is good. Spoke heads are made of 7075 aluminum alloy, which provides excellent tensile strength and rigidity to strengthen the structure of the spokes and maximize longevity. The spokes are interlacing, but they're not touching each other, so they won't hit or rub with each other to ensure safety. The spoke nipples are in a half-hidden style to offer better aerodynamics. But beware that you need a specific spoke wrench to adjust spoke tensions. However, we highly recommend that you leave this job to a professional mechanic. The hubs are all equipped with ceramic sealed bearings for maximum smoothness and minimal rolling resistance. Hub material is 7075 aluminum alloy. We insist on this material because it's excellent against corrosion, stiff, and yet the tensile strength is high. It's also used in aircraft. For the rim brake version rear hub, we use a 6-pole system with 6 engagement points, and there are 60 clicks per revolution. Disc brake users rejoice! The disc brake version has the CX32 hub with a planetary ratchet system for hub engagement. It's comparable to a famous Swiss brand. This ratchet system has 36 engagement points. The rim brake version sounds like this. We'll update you with the disc brake version. Actually, what do high engagement point numbers mean? More means better power transfer efficiency. High engagement hubs are better at climbing and acceleration. For instance, my entry-level hub has only 2 poles with no teeth on them. That is 2 engagement points. It sounds like this. More quiet, isn't it? Low engagement point numbers mean the power transfer efficiency is lower, as there are fewer contacting points to drive the wheel forward. These wheels are my bike stock wheels. I don't really want to climb hills with them, seriously. The Ultra 2023 series is currently only available in 15mm rim depth. However, this depth offers a great balance between aerodynamics and climbing capability. Besides, to my personal taste, I think 15mm looks the best. Not too thin, not too thick, it's just pleasing to the eyes. And of course, you should have noticed we incorporated a wavy rim design we named Shark Fin Pro Rim. Our laboratory tests prove that the wavy shape and the dented shark fin marks improve aerodynamics so you can go faster more easily. Also, for cyclists who prefer a more subtle rim design, the waviness is less prominent compared to major competitors. When you look at the wheels from afar, it looks round, but when you get closer, the wavy shape stands out. It's aesthetically great. These also have the K-brake line grooved braking surface for the rim brake versions for better braking performance and safety. We've improved the braking surface to reduce vibration. Enough talking, let's put some tires on and ride. Starting the bike is a joy. You pedal and it just goes forward without any delay. These wheels definitely feel stiff. Steering is like a dream as the reinforced carbon spokes improve lateral stiffness. Cornering and steering are like a knife through butter. As to climbing, I'm using the rim brake version. It's already pretty good, but the disc brake version will even perform better as the rear CX32 hub uses a ratchet system that provides more engagement points. Actually, every tooth is an engagement point. Braking is safe and efficient without locking the wheels, thanks to the K-brake line which acts like an ABS. I've been riding with these Ultra series in the past 2 months with about 20 rides. They're still going strong, no problem whatsoever, and they're still true and round. I think it's worth a mention that these wheels were shipped from a long way from Xiamen to Hong Kong, and they held their shapes well. So if you're using heavy alloy wheels like I did, upgrading to the Ultra 2023 wheels should put a smile on your face and bring out the best performance from your bike frame. Superteam has been making carbon wheels for more than a decade, and our wheels have been shipping to cycling enthusiasts around the globe with positive reviews. They're UCI approved too. We hope you can consider our products and enjoy the great values. You can use the code shown here to get 5% off your purchase. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the downstairs puncture test video of the Ultra 2023 wheels.